Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at this magnificent guys Nvidia stock. So let's do the prep here. And how high can Nvidia keep going from here? Should you just keep buying going into this next week as well, or should you wait for the pullback? Are we seeing any weakness on this? What's the thing with this thing, right? This thing keeps making new all-time highs every day. Well, does it still has that momentum and potential? So we'll take a look at all of that in this video once I let you know that none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. So let's start off with, first of all, I just want to show you around my day trading bots and also swing bot and how things are looking like. So this is my day trading bot. And even though this last trading day was a profitable day, even through the choppiness, the bot was able to make money. And also you can see the last 30 trades of data on the left side. We only had, out of last 30 trades on day trading bot, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 8 red trades. So that means out of 30 trades, we had 22 profitable trades. Yeah. All right. Let's take a look at now the swing bot, because as we know, there was an open running position on my swing bot. And let's turn that thing on. Well, so we have the third take partial profit as well at a good place. We got at the top, the third one. And you can see the data here, last 30 trades as well, net profitable. And closed PNL on the current open position or the trade is still profitable, and then open PNL is also running profitable. So anyways, just sharing here the data, and if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have 2 trading bots and 2 indicators. All right, these are only educational tools, guys. You can use however you want, but use them at your own risk. And yeah, all right, so let's go back to the daily interval now, and let's talk about structure first. What are we seeing on Nvidia? Well, higher highs, right? And higher lows, right? Like, I mean, where do I even stop it, right? This thing is still in the classic uptrend structure. No downside in sight, nothing on the downside. Everything is still full on bullish, right? Now, what from here? Well, as we are bullish, so it's the direction to trade is to the upside. Nvidia in the structure will remain bullish from where it is right now, as long as we are above $125.62 or 70 cents or whatever, right? I'm not going to go penny to penny perfect here. So yeah, so we are still bullish, full on bullish on the swing structure on the daily interval. As I showed you, just like my swing bot is giving partial profits, always take partial profits in these extensions, all right? Now, let's go back to the hourly interval and let's talk about the type of trades that could be taken. So guys, this trend line that I drew for you is still holding strong on Nvidia. And I don't even need this trend line, guys. I mean, you can just use that 20 hours moving average here, right? Like, it's a constant, like, higher highs, higher lows. Now you can see that. So here's the thing. What are you seeing in this last trading day? Gap up, sell off. But since the structure is bullish, we held that level at 129.36 cents, got bought back up just around 20 hours moving average. Price action showing that classic wick forming, support forming. Even the pullback got bought back up again at 20 hours moving average. But then what are you seeing? Right at the top where the pre-market sell-off happened, we are again seeing a dip, right? So what this tells us, guys, is that pre-market gap up is being sold off, all right? And then retest again is getting sold off already 3 times. It's not making structure bearish on the swing. But what it tells you that at least on intraday, some cool off may come. So let's talk about that. So if we lose 20 hours moving average, you can expect it to cool off down to again this $129 range and also 50 hours moving average. I do expect a bounce the first time at 50 hours moving average. So be prepared. On the same day, at least on Monday, it could be shorted as well and it could be bought back as well. The same day you can trade both trades. If we lose, I don't think it's going to happen on Monday, but maybe on Tuesday. Let's say if we go lower and stay right in this bit below, if we stay below $131 or $132 and close to the 129 and 75 cents down here, then on Tuesday, the day after, Monday, we might, if we lose then 129 and 50 hours moving average, there can be another cool off that may come down to the level of 126 and 86 cents or 125 and 56 cents. But, and then that's where you are watching if this level, because this is now on the swing, the pullback zone for to watch, because structure until then is still bullish. Nvidia intraday can be traded short, as I just explained, if these levels break on the cool off side, but just intraday. It's not a swing short play because structure is bullish. Now let's talk about the possibility of bulls cases. Well, first one is very simple. If we stay above 20 hours moving average, breakout above 131 and 83 cents, or $132, it's just another leg up, guys. All right, because it's in that structure. Also, if we, let's say, if you start to see these wicks forming again at the level of 129.63 cents, as I explained, intraday, again, a short can become as well, and also a long can come the same day. So that would be it. The thing is that if we lose $129, then I think there's just much more cool off that can happen around 125, and then some pullback may come. But that will be then Tuesday out. So be prepared for Monday. At least there is a possibility of short as well and possibility of long as well, either at the level after breaking lower at 50, close to 50 hours moving average with $129 in range, and or if we break all-time highs with a 20 hours moving hours constant support, then it's a continuation to the upside. So that's how I'm looking at Nvidia right now going into the Monday. I don't, well, here's another thing, guys. Shall we go to the let's go to the daily interval. So here's the thing. Until how long will Nvidia keep going high up and high up? And as I said, right, the average range, because average range before stock split, Nvidia was doing what, like $50 almost, and I said that after stock split it will come down to $5 average range, and you can see on my dashboard it's showing $5 average range that Nvidia has been doing. So how high can it go? Let's say let's say $5 times 5 days in a week, right? So $25. So let's say pullbacks, give or take, let's say $20 in general. So 131 plus $20 is 150. So sure, 150 can go, but that's like optimistic case, right? Provided if that's keep happening. We stay in the uptrend. But as I'll talk about options data as well in one of my videos later this weekend, you will get to see much more, but that will be in another video. So yeah, I'll talk about it then on the options side. But guys, this is, if it even has to go in the downtrend, first a distribution phase has to form and a level to the downside has to break. That is way far out. You will be better, you will be better off if you're just waiting, let's say if you're not comfortable trading those short plays, as I explained, if those levels break, your better bet is to just wait for the pullbacks, wherever the pullbacks comes, and when you see on lower time frames, double bottom forming consolidation at those important levels that I showed you on intraday of holding, just try to play the long, because even through the distribution phase, you will get opportunities of playing the longs into the pullbacks with the stop loss below the structural area, which right now is $125 area. And you will be fine. But just make sure you take partial profits out, and once the structure starts to lose some, if it loses some heat, then you start to size out your position. But yeah, guys, Nvidia is still bullish. I mean, and I foresee that this coming week, it will either just stay overall in the swing side, like bullish, or in the distribution phase, but most likely any pullbacks are just going to be bought back up this coming week, in my opinion, on Nvidia. And yeah, I don't see that it's gonna collapse. Well, if it does, I'll talk about it. But the sign of collapse would be, guys, if it starts to lose this $125.57, that would start the distribution phase. But don't think that it's just gonna then fall. That will be like, okay, distribution phase is starting, and then you will still see those pullbacks ups. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. You can still trade the pullbacks back to the upside at least when we are in that trend and the direction. Okay, it's simple. All right, well, so guys, that's pretty much it for this video. And if you need access to my tools, my bots, my indicators, links to my tools are in the description below. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.